Koenigsegg has introduced the CCGT1, a tribute to its CCGT race car, which was developed for Le Mans but never competed after FIA regulations changed. 2 decades later, the original CCGT has been restored and is slated to race in a GT1 historic class. The CCGT1 uses a twin-turbocharged V8, producing 1,280 horsepower on gasoline or 1,600 horsepower on E85. Its redesigned body features a massive active rear wing, front splitter, and active underbody flaps, generating around 1,763 pounds of downforce at 155 miles per hour. The engine pairs with a 9-speed sequential transmission, while a gated 6-speed manual is also available. Production is limited to 70 examples, and all have already been claimed.